folks, I'm Mike from Minnesota. Welcome to my channel. Being brought to you from the great northern Minnesota, Deer River area, the doorstep of the Chippewa National Forest, and on the Leech Lake Indian Reservation. Today I'm going to do a Lebanese recipe, which most of you know as baba Ghanouj. And I grew up with this dish, and we called it bitin jane, which is a Northern Arabic dialect, which means eggplant. And there's probably a better word for it, description in the Northern Lebanese dialect, but I don't know. And the recipe for this dish is quite simple. You want to use one large eggplant. Actually, I've got two. It's kind of a smaller, medium one, but I'm going to do them both because I have them. And you want to use 2 cloves of garlic, and I've got 4 or 5 in here. Half a tablespoon of lemon juice. And of course, I have a little bit more since I'm doing 2 eggplant. And 1 tablespoon of tahini, which is ground sesame seed paste. And I wanted to show you this little thing that I found. It's used for bartending, I believe. It's a long spoon, and it really works well with mixing up the tahini paste because it gets thicker in the bottom and the oil rises to the top. And this particular spoon works great for it. I have the grill heating up, and today I'm going to do this recipe kind of the old-fashioned way, and I'm going to use a couple things that were handed down to me: a wooden bowl, which is and a wooden mallet, which I believe is called a mada'a. And I'm going to pound the garlic first, and then I'm going to take the eggplant after it's all done and put that in there and start mashing it. Normally when I make this, I use a potato masher and a garlic mincer. But today I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. This recipe, whenever I do it, it reminds me of my Aunt Lorraine. She loved bitin jane, and I can remember being at her house and my mother and her baking the eggplant in the oven and then eating it afterwards. The way we're going to do this, we're going to do this on the grill, and we're going to do it so it's really, really well done. Some of it's going to be black, and we'll bring that in on a pan, let it cool down a little bit. We'll peel it and put the pulp in the bowl. Well, after I mash the garlic first, and then we'll start mashing this. So I'm going to get this on the grill, and I'll see you in a little bit. Well, I'm back from roasting the eggplant, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Nice and dark. Smells wonderful. And I don't know if you can even see the garlic. I mashed it up really well in the bowl. It's going to be excellent. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the eggplant and put it in there and start mashing it up. And then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. But one other tip I wanted to let you know in Lebanese cooking is making this Lebanese salad. In the north, it's called slota. And I don't know if you've ever heard of the 3 sisters in making soup, which include onion, carrot, and celery. Well, the 3 sisters of a Lebanese salad is mint and olive oil and lemon juice. And if you want to spice it up a little bit, add a little garlic. And that's the 3 sisters of a Lebanese salad. Tonight I'm going to have, my slota is going to be fresh garden tomatoes and fresh cucumbers out of the garden. And I'm going to mix them half and half, a lot of mint, lemon juice, and olive oil, and it's going to be really good. And so that's the Lebanese salad tip. for today. I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like after it's all peeled and in the bowl. Well, folks, here it is in the bowl, peeled. And what I do is I use gloves to peel it because it's so darn hot. It just really helps. I can get it in the bowl more quicker and get the process going. So I'm going to mash this up and add my tahini and lemon juice, and I'll show you the end result. Be back in a little bit. Well, folks, I'm done mashing it up. This is what it looks like. I added some salt to it. And some people will take this and blend it or put it in a food processor and make a dip out of it. But I don't really like it that way. I like the texture of this. This is what I grew up with. And I just love it. It just came out perfect. So this is Bite Jane Matabi, which we just called Bite Jane eggplant. And of course, you have to have it with some kibbutz maruk, Lebanese flatbread. This will be really a good part of my supper tonight. I'm telling you, if you want to try Baba Ghanouj, try it this way. It's absolutely glorious. So until next time, everybody, make every day a great day. God bless.